Hey, what's happening in the kitchen today?
Welcome. I'm making something colorful, comforting, and absolutely delicious.
Colorful already sounds dangerous. What are we making?
A layered beetroot and potato bake with chickpeas, feta, walnuts, and a sweet smoky dressing.
That sounds fancy. Should I sit straighter?
No, just get hungry. Let's start by peeling the potatoes.
Potatoes, the one vegetable nobody argues with.
They're comforting, filling, and full of potassium. Very dependable.
And now the beetroot. That color is dramatic.
It is. Beetroot gives this dish its deep, rich color and it's packed with antioxidants.
So basically, edible velvet.
Exactly. Now I'm slicing both the potatoes and beetroot very thin. That helps them cook evenly.
Thin like, I have patience thin?
Yes, thin slices make the layers tender, but still structured. Now we marinate them with olive oil, salt, and black pepper.
Simple seasoning?
Simple, but effective. The olive oil helps everything roast beautifully, and the pepper adds gentle warmth.
15 minutes of marinating. That's their spa time.
Exactly, we let them relax. While they marinate, I'm spreading tomato sauce at the bottom of the baking pan.
Ah, a flavor foundation.
Yes, this keeps everything moist and adds a slight tanginess. Now boiled chickpeas go on top.
Protein alert.
Yes, plant protein, fiber, and they add texture to the base. A little salt and red paprika.
That paprika is giving confidence.
Just a gentle heat, nothing overwhelming.
Oh wow, this looks artistic.
Now we layer the marinated beetroot and potato slices in rows.
This is not cooking, this is architecture.
When food looks beautiful, it feels special before you even taste it.
Those colors together, it's like edible stripes.
And once baked, they'll soften but still hold their shape. Cover with foil and bake at 400 Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes.
Covered, so they steam and bake together?
Exactly. It keeps them tender and prevents drying out.
Okay, I'll wait, patiently, maybe.
While that bakes, let's prepare the dressing.
This smells serious.
Maple syrup for sweetness, garlic for depth, coriander for freshness, smoked paprika for warmth, olive oil for richness, and lemon zest for brightness.
So, sweet, smoky, citrusy, garlicky.
Balanced.
I was going to say confused, but balanced sounds better.
Every ingredient has its place.
Oh wow, look at that color.
The beets deepen beautifully, and the potatoes turn soft and tender. Now I'm adding crumbled feta.
Creamy saltiness incoming.
Exactly, it contrasts the sweetness of the beets. Some roasted walnuts for crunch.
Texture is everything.
And finally, drizzle the dressing.
That drizzle is dramatic. I approve.
And there it is, layered, colorful, tender inside with creamy, crunchy, sweet, and smoky flavors.
I wasn't hungry 5 minutes ago. Now I am reconsidering my life choices.
If you enjoyed this recipe,
Hit like before I grab a fork.
and subscribe for more warm, vegetarian recipes made simple.
Because vegetables deserve main character energy too.